student, this is the fourth part of our third poem to the autumn. So open your books, page number 59, on this page number first paragraph. Now listen carefully. Now in this part we are going to learn or discuss about the second stanza of this poem. Now listen carefully. In the second stanza, kids tell the readers the places where they can see the autumn season. So particularly this second stanza is related to the autumn season, where the reader it means the person who is reading this poem, that reader where can see the autumn season. And here are given few imaginations of the poet. The autumn is seen in the lot of things it has itself created. So the autumn season we can see in many things, and those things already made by autumn season. If someone is trying to find it outside, it is found sitting comfortably on some granary floor. Granary means storehouse for grain. Floor. Floor it means a lower surface of a room. So if anybody want to see autumn season in outside, so go in the granary. In granary it means a storehouse, a building where anybody can store grains. And on the floor you can see the autumn season. Near the granary, the winnowing. Winnowing it means separating the grain from the chaff by means of current of air. So what is the chaff? Outer covering of grain. Winnowing is going on and it's a hair. It's a hair, it means autumn season's hair. It is the imagination of the poet. Hairs are slowly lifted by the wind. So here the poet is imagining that near that granary, that a storehouse of grain, you can see somebody will be separating the grain from the chaff. And chaff it means outer cover of that grain. And there you could see that person is separating grain from that chaff with the help of current of flow of air. And that time the poet imagined that there is the autumn season's hairs are blowing or flowing in the air. It may be found sleeping sound. Sound it means deep. In the half harvested field. Harvest it means, in the last part I have told you meaning of that word. Harvest it means take out the ripen crop from the field, from the farm. And here half harvested it means that farm is not completely taken out. That there is left some farm without taking out or without cutting the ripen crop. Field of opium. Opium it means drug making plant. So here the poet is imagining that there is the plant of opium in a field, in a farm, and that farm is not completely harvested, that farm is not completely cut out, but there left some more plants of this opium, and opium is used to make some kind of drug that we call afu in Marathi language. The harvest is not complete because the next line of crop and the flowers of the field are left without cutting. So here the harvest is not completed. It is going on. Why? Because the next line of crop, the next line of flowers in the field left without cutting. Those flowers, those plants ate not cut by that person or by that farmer. Sometimes the autumn appears like a gleaner. Gleaner it means a person who gather cut and gather ribbon crop. So sometimes this autumn season looks like the gleaner. It means the person in the farm who cut the plants, who cut the field crops and store them somewhere. That gleaner is crossing the stream. Stream it means small channel of water, balancing the load of the corn on his head. So that person having lot of load on his head of that crop, and that time he is crossing a channel of water and he is adjusting that load on his head. It may also be found watching cider press satin tea. Cider it means, and cider and satin tea, these two words are important here. Cider press, cider it means the season of autumn, and secondly it means satisfy fully. It may also found watching cider press satin tea. So in a fully satisfied person or in that condition, you can see or you can watch that autumn season. The cider has crushed apples and now drops of apple juice are coming out. So particularly there is a machine which press apples, and then there you can see juice drop out from that apple. So that machine also called a cider. Another meaning is a machine. So in this way the poet says that there is any cider, any machine is pressing the apple and the juice is dropping out, and in that juice you can see the autumn season. So in this way this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.